If you want to see what I got from B&M, then this video is definitely for you. I picked up a few things that I've never seen in the store before, so if you want to see what I got, definitely keep watching. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I do videos on motherhood, cleaning, and organization, and in today's video I am going to be showing you what I picked up from B&M. Now, I already did another haul similar for cleaning products, and today was just a very small haul of things that I needed to get around the house. Before we get into the video, I want to hear from you, what is your all-time favorite cleaning product? Because I keep discovering these new products, which I'm going to talk about today, that I never even heard of, and I feel like I might be missing out. I've got cleaning product FOMO. So if there are some cleaning, like holy grail cleaning products that you just really love, comment down below and let me know. And if there's some stuff that I haven't ever used before, I'm definitely going to pick it up. I'm starting off the video with my favorite thing that I picked up from B&M, and it is this big extra large bottle of elbow grease. Now, I had never even heard of this product until very recently. I have been using it for everything. It costs £1. It is so cost effective, but this stuff gets up grease and grime better than every other cleaning product that I use. I tend to use non-toxic products like method cleaners, but this one is just so effective. So sometimes you gotta call in the big guns, and when you've got a big mess, this is amazing. You can also get this on Amazon actually for the same price. So if you are not going into stores, this is a very good thing to pick up online. This stuff works on fabrics, metals, and plastic. It does not damage anything. It has a slightly strong smell, so I usually open the window when I am using it. I got this particular bottle because it is big, and I use it, like I said, for everything. I use it to clean out the sink, the stove, the bathtub, pretty much anything that has kind of hard to get up stains. This stuff is amazing. Highly recommended, and it is, like I said, only £1 from B&M, so really good deal. I also picked up some sponges. These are glass and tile microfiber cleaning pads. Now, these come in so handy. One thing that I really love about these types of sponges is that you can actually put them in the washing machine. They hold up really well, and these were £2 from B&M. Now, these ones are specifically good for glass, so I'll be using these for mirrors and things wherever I do not want to leave streaks. And they have two sides. One is like a microfiber side, and the other side has like more of like a cleaning sponge bit. These work amazingly on any shiny surface. So I will use these on the bathroom tiles. I will use them on the stove. I'll use them on mirrors and windows, pretty much on everything. These, for the price of £1 each, so it's 2 in a pack for £2, are a really good deal considering how well they work. Onto some of the more organizational items. A couple of things that I picked up are just basic household things, but they come in so handy, and they might not be things that you would think to buy, and this is one of them. This is a socket adapter. So this actually plugs into your socket, and then you get 3 extra sockets. Now, the reason I love these is because they make it so much easier to actually keep your plugs and keep everything a little bit neater and looking a little bit more tidy. Now, I use these pretty much on any plug where I need to plug in more than one item. You just plug it in, you then stick your other appliances or whatever devices you have that you need to plug in into this, and it helps with cable management. This is a small thing, but it makes a big difference to make your cables and to make your plugs look a little bit more neat and a little bit less jumbled and disorganized. I also picked up a shower caddy. This is something that I have been looking for a really long time to get, one that is actually going to stay on the wall. I already have one, but this is why it's important to get one with a lot of suction pads, because I have another suction one and it is constantly falling down. I did not want to get a plastic one. I wanted to get something a little bit nicer, something in metal, but this one is going to work much better because it has 4 suction pads and because it goes into the angle of the shower. The one I have right now goes along the side. It only has 2 pads, and it's not fit for purpose. It doesn't work. So this one, I thought it looked okay. It's kind of got like a mesh basket front, and it goes into the corner of the shower with these suction pads. Now, of course, a shower caddy is a must-have if you've got a shower that does not have built-in shelves like I do. This will allow you to keep all of your shower gel, your shampoos, your conditioners off the floor and nice and tidied away in a basket of some sort. So this is a must-have. Hopefully this one works a little bit better, but I think it will, than the one I already have. And I am one step closer to getting my shower finally organized and under control with this. The next items I was really excited to find in the shop because I've never seen them before and I never noticed that they had these on their online shop either. And they are these little baskets. Now you're going to see in an upcoming video, I am redoing my laundry room and my pantry, and these are going to be perfect to hold things on top of the washing machine in the laundry room. A couple of things make these baskets a little bit more unique and a little bit nicer than what you might find at the dollar store or Poundland is, first of all, they do great baskets at B&M, just like Wilko, and they have these matte finishes to them, and it just makes it look a little bit less cheap, a little bit less plasticky. But they also have these handles, which are fantastic, especially for what I'm going to be using it for. You can just pick it up, pull it out, take what you need out, and put it straight back in. I'm definitely going to be using these baskets to help with the organization in my laundry room. They're the perfect size, and at this price, it's a great way to get organized without spending a fortune. Y'all know I love baskets, and I got two other baskets. Again, these I thought were so unique because they're little like hamper-like baskets. They have these cute little handles, but they're actually a really small size, just big enough to hold a couple of things, probably in the pantry or the laundry room again. But what makes these really unique and what I'm really excited about is the fact that they come with little lids. The lids just slot right on top, and you can just keep your things a little bit tidier looking. But of course, because they come with lids like this, it means you can stack them. So I picked up two of these. They were a little bit more expensive than the other baskets at £3 each, but because they come with a lid, because they are so sturdy, and because they're stackable, I still think that is a pretty good deal. And I'm going to see how useful they actually end up being in my laundry room to decide if I'm going to pick up a couple of more, but I think these are going to be a great addition to the laundry room organization. Another cleaning product that I picked up from B&M is this kitchen towel. Now this might seem like a boring thing to purchase. However, if you are not familiar with this brand, I wasn't familiar with it until I randomly ordered it online, but this stuff is amazing. This is the highest quality paper towel kitchen roll that I have ever purchased, and these I believe are £1.50 each, so they come two in a pack and they're around £3. Now these are super absorbent. You can pretty much use them as an actual kitchen towel. We use reusable cloths as much as we possibly can, but sometimes you just need kitchen towel, and if you are like me and you don't want to be wasting like tons and tons and tons of sheets of kitchen towel, I highly recommend you invest in this particular brand. It's so sturdy and durable. Now that I found this brand, I don't buy the other less expensive brands at all anymore. You can really use this for everything. You can use it to clean your mirrors, you can use it to clean your stove, you can use it to wipe up spills and messes, windows, pretty much anything, and it is not going to fall apart or shred in your hands or get all soggy and gross. So for paper towel, this is definitely the way to go. And if you can get it on sale, even better. They often have sales, but definitely recommend picking this up if you do use kitchen towel in your cleaning. Another thing I got, which kind of fits into the home organization category, is this miniature first aid kit. Now this was something like £1. It wasn't very expensive at all, but the reason I picked this up is because we do have a very big kind of medicine chest of medicines and band-aids and all of those things, but it is so useful to have something very compact and nice and tidy that you can just keep at the ready at all times. And I thought this was a really great way to make sure that we've got band-aids and things that we might need very, very quickly to access. We want to keep it such that it's easily accessible and nice and tidy if we just need to reach in really quickly, grab something out of it, and put it straight back. This is also really good if you want to keep your handbag or your backpack really organized and have a first aid kit on you at all times. It's super compact and it's super tidy. It comes with an elastic bandage, it comes with cleansing swabs, plasters, as well as a compress. So this is a really good idea if you want to keep your first aid kit compact and nice and tidy and organized, especially if you want to keep it in the kitchen or somewhere that it's easy to access, or in your handbag. Next organizational item I got, I am still on the fence about, so let me know what you think down below in the comments. And it is this storage box. Now they come 2 in a pack, and this was £7 altogether. Now the reason I say I'm a little bit skeptical is because of the pattern on it. Now I think it looks very, very nice. I'm not completely sure that this is going to match what I am going for in my laundry room, which is what I'm in the process of organizing at the moment. For the price though, I thought, you know what, I'll take a risk, and if it doesn't look good, I will just take it back or use it for something else. Now, I'm really excited about these because storage baskets can be very pricey, and for £3.50 each, I thought that was a decent deal. But also the material is so nice. I really do hope that they look good, and it comes with this nice fringed border around the top as well. They're squares at 27 by 27 by 27 centimeters, so the size is just big enough to fit a decent amount of things, but not too huge that it's not going to fit or that it's going to take up too much space. So I am really excited about these. I'm going to put them together and see how they look in the laundry room. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments if you think this is a little bit OTT in terms of the pattern, or if you think this will be nice. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you got some ideas of things that you might be able to pick up from B&M if you are in the cleaning and organization mode like I am at the moment. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you're interested in this type of content, please feel free to subscribe so that you can follow along when I post new videos. Until next time, bye.